I was prompted to come and see Dr. Martinez because I knew I needed to find a dentist here in Southwest Florida. I had just recently relocated and was looking to find a very high quality dentist who I knew could do cosmetic work as well as dentistry. And I always had hoped that I would have a pretty smile in my lifetime. I waited to have it done until a few years ago because, quite honestly, I didn't have education as to what the alternatives were for me. Somewhere I had seen an ad for veneers, and I thought that sounded like a really good idea. That was in the back of my mind when I started looking for a dentist. I've been very, very impressed with the staff, especially with the doctor. He does an outstanding job. His academic credentials are impeccable. His bedside manner is good, and you feel a sense of well-being the minute he starts to treat you. He helped me decide what color to choose for my teeth, and he helped me determine whether or not I should make them larger. And his decision was absolutely the right one. It's hard to go to the dentist, but for some reason, he puts you at ease. You know, I had a wonderful experience every time I've come into this office. I've never had a bad experience here. It's very important to me to have a dentist who's up to date on modern technology. It's such a different story than what it was 20, even 10 years ago. And knowing what technology can provide versus what it used to be like meant a great deal to me personally. It means everything to me to have this great smile that I dreamed of for a lifetime. You know what? It doesn't matter what it cost me. The emotional benefits, the pleasures I felt, my friends telling me I look 10 years younger. I'm very grateful to Dr. Martinez. Not only do I have a smile I'm really happy with, it's made me look 10 years younger, and I'm having so much more fun in my retirement than I had before I had my teeth done.